Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Python and VS Code are installed. Add Python to path if needed. Once done, install the Python extension and pylons for IntelliSense. Next, create a project folder and open it in VS Code. Use terminal right arrow new terminal and run Python mvenv. Venv to create an isolated environment. Activate the venv for your shell. Make sure the bottom right interpreter switches to venv. This gets you ready to write and run code immediately. You now write your first script and configure tools that help you. Open Command Palette and choose the venv interpreter so auto-completion and imports resolve. Then set up linting and formatting. Install Black and Flake 8 or Purite, enable them in settings. JSON and add an editor. Format on save rule. Once configured, create a vscode/launch. JSON to run and debug your file with breakpoints. Make sure tests run as tasks so you can iterate quickly without leaving the editor. You finish by running and debugging your app. Use the green Run button or the integrated terminal, then open the debug pane to step through code and inspect variables. When using environment variables or relative paths, confirm terminal uses the project root and the venv is activated. If things go wrong, first verify the selected interpreter matches your venv, reinstall extensions if they break, and confirm path includes Python. That one check often fixes import errors and unexpected runtime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.